In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add A-plus content on KDP, a handy KDP tutorial for beginners. Whether you're a seasoned author or just starting with Kindle Direct Publishing, adding A-plus content to your books can significantly enhance the visual appeal and help in boosting your sales. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To start, head over to the A-plus Content Manager. This is where the magic begins. You'll see an option to create new content. Go ahead and click on Create. This is your opportunity to enhance your book's product page and make it stand out with engaging visuals and compelling text. Next, it's time to choose a module layout. Think of this as the blueprint for how your content will be structured. KDP offers a variety of layout options that let you tailor the content according to your book's aesthetic and messaging style. Take a moment to explore these options and select the one that best fits your vision for the book's presentation. A well-chosen layout can greatly impact how potential readers perceive your book. Once you've settled on a layout, the next step is to upload your images and text. This is where your creativity comes into play. High-quality images can bring your book to life, so make sure they are sharp and relevant to your content. Pair these images with text that speaks to your audience. Consider what key points or highlights you want to convey about your book, and craft text that is concise yet engaging. Remember, this is your chance to captivate and charm your potential readers right from the get-go. With your images and text uploaded, the final step is to apply your newly created A-plus content to your ASIN. The ASIN, or Amazon Standard Identification Number, is essentially the unique identifier for your book on Amazon. By linking your A-plus content to your ASIN, it ensures that the enhancements you've worked on will be visible on your book's product page. This provides a richer shopping experience for potential buyers and showcases your book in the best possible light. And there you have it. You've successfully added A-plus content to your book on KDP. Remember, the more appealing your product page, the more likely you are to draw in customers and perhaps even boost your sales. Take your time to review your content, make sure everything looks polished and captures the brand or story you wish to tell. Updating A-plus content can be a great way to refresh your listings periodically, keeping them engaging and current. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to let me know in the comments how your